Hey guys, so today we are going to be cashing in on the birthday offers. There's only one thing that I love more than free stuff, and that's food. I absolutely love food, so let's go do this. So we are on our way to the first location, which is going to be Krispy Kreme. Okay, we just made it to the Krispy Kreme. I have my coupon ready. I'm gonna go get my free donuts. Kind of looks like a warehouse. Is this right? Look at them. Okay, so I accidentally deleted my Bath & Body Works birthday coupon for a free item, but it's okay because I got this coupon in the mail for a free hand cream. I also got this coupon for 20% off, and I'm gonna go use the coupons. For the hand cream, it's no purchase necessary, so I still come out a winner. Okay, so it took a while for me to actually make it into the store because there were so many cute dogs everywhere. Look at these dogs. They're so cute. We just got some stuff from Bath & Body Works. This is the free hand lotion that I picked out. It smells amazing. I'm at a red light, and this is what my sister is doing in the car.
You know, it sucks when you get towards the end and then it starts getting all tangled. It's my problems. I'm making a white pumpkin.
We just made it to Cheesecake Factory. In line for a pretzel. Got it. Okay, so my sister's at Joann Fabric. My general take on doing this is that I don't think I'm enjoying it as much as I thought I was going to. I think if you spread it out throughout the week, you have something to look forward to and you don't feel like you're gonna have to eat everything at one time. Part of me doesn't really like doing this anymore because I don't want to be wasteful and I'm getting super full. So I do think that if I ever do this again, I'm definitely gonna spread it out throughout an entire week and have just an entire week of fun. While my sister's at Joann, I went ahead and made my order for the chips and queso from Torchy's Tacos. So I'll be getting that. So this is all the goods. We've got 2 pretzels with cheese dip. We had to buy the cheese dip, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Did you get Torchy's? Torchy's Tacos, free chips and queso. Make sure you sign up. It's free on your birthday. No purchase necessary. We got the chips. Look at that big thing of queso. We've got this, it's kind of smushed a little bit, but we've got some Texas egg rolls. We got some tiramisu cheesecake that is smashed, but it will taste even better because you'll get whipped cream in every bite. Good. I think that's it.
Wow, I like this bag. Where did this come from?
That's it.
Bath and Body Works. Actually, a big slice. You have a big family.
Who are you talking to?
You.
No, I'm eating it now. They don't know about it. They won't know about it.
Mom's still cutting you a big slice because.
Well, here. Thank you, Ricky.
I used to do this all the time with me and my child.
So, birthday photos are done. I was hoping to do this in only one day, but it's just not reasonable to expect that because you're gonna have so much food. And I know some people might just do it for the video, but I actually want to eat the food. So I'm actually going to be splitting it up and I'm just going to have a really good weekend where I just get a bunch of free stuff. Free or deeply discounted. Okay, so it's day 2 and I'm going to go to 2 more locations, get 2 more deals. Let's go.
Ryan Little.
Got it. Okay, so I just made it to BJ's Brewhouse and I'm gonna go pick up my free birthday Pizookie. I got the hot fudge sundae one. Let's go. Okay, I got it. So this is probably the one I'm the most excited about.
Woke up from a nap because of all the food we ate.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Good night.
We're gonna go back to sleep and see you guys later. Bye.